Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're revealing 4 unbelievable 2026 motorhomes that blend supercar speed with insane luxury. You don't want to miss this. Number 4. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. It's loud, proud, and absolutely insane. Lamborghini took everything it's known for, sharp styling, aggressive performance, and elite luxury, and transformed it into a motorhome that looks like it belongs on a racetrack more than a camping ground. The exterior is all angles and attitude, echoing the Revuelto's design language with massive front air intakes, sharp LED headlights, and a signature Y-shaped light signature. The sides are sculpted with aerodynamic precision, finished with forged wheels that look straight off a hypercar. Even the signature scissor doors made the transition to this behemoth. Open those doors and you're welcomed into a world of performance-inspired luxury. The cabin takes design cues straight from Lamborghini's cockpit, with Alcantara surfaces, digital touch panels, and bronze accents all over. There's carbon fiber almost everywhere, on the table, the dash, the bed frame. A leather-wrapped lounge area folds into a king-sized bed with integrated lighting, a surround sound cinema system, and even ambient scent diffusers. The kitchen is fully loaded with Miele appliances, the bathroom features smart glass walls that go opaque with a tap, and the shower delivers rainfall and steam spa options. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a Lamborghini experience stretched over 40 feet. Under the hood, or rather under the cabin, lies a hybrid V12 engine pushing out 850 horsepower. That's more than enough to take this beast from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. Yes, a motorhome that can smoke sports cars at the lights. Lamborghini fitted it with all-wheel drive, 4-wheel steering, and adaptive air suspension, making this thing surprisingly agile on winding roads. It even has launch control. The tech doesn't stop there. Voice-controlled systems, satellite internet, and an AR windshield keep the driver completely immersed in both luxury and performance. This motorhome doesn't just travel, it dominates the road. Number 3. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a rolling tribute to elegance, speed, and passion. While Lamborghini leaned into raw power and aggression, Ferrari chose to make their motorhome an art piece in motion. The exterior is sculpted with flowing lines reminiscent of the Roma and 812 Superfast, finished in signature Rosso Casa and metallic silvers. A retractable rear spoiler hints at the power within, while the slim LED headlights and dual exhausts at the rear scream performance pedigree. Even parked, it exudes presence and class. The interior is dripping in Italian sophistication. Every inch is clad in hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and real walnut accents. You walk into what feels like a suite at a designer hotel in Milan. There's a rotating fireplace between 2 leather-clad loungers, a dining area with panoramic windows, and a full kitchen with marble countertops. The sleeping area is split-level, with a queen-sized bed above a walk-in closet and a rainfall shower framed in glass and copper. But what really sets it apart is the Ferrari Smart Control System, a unified interface that controls lighting, climate, and entertainment via gesture or voice, all powered by AI. Powering this luxurious cruiser is a 4.0-liter V8 hybrid engine derived from the SF90 Stradale, outputting nearly 1,000 horsepower. Despite the motorhome's weight, it surges forward with breathtaking acceleration. Ferrari's engineers even developed a custom dual-clutch transmission for smoother power delivery. The suspension is magnetorheological, adjusting in milliseconds based on terrain. It's smoother than silk on highways, but has the poise to corner like a sports sedan. There's also Level 3 autonomous driving and adaptive cruise, making long journeys effortless. The Ferrari Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a 5-star experience traveling at 120 miles per hour. Number 2. The 2026 BYD Motorhome. This one came out of left field and completely flipped the script. China's EV powerhouse BYD shocked the industry with a fully electric RV that looks and feels like a tech billionaire's personal shuttle. From its minimalist design to its ultra-modern interior, everything about it screams futuristic luxury. The exterior is clean and streamlined, finished in satin silver or deep metallic black. LED bars run across the front and rear, and the windows are electrochromic, darkening automatically based on sunlight. Solar panels are integrated into the roof, and the side panel opens like a private jet's boarding door. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that rivals a Gulfstream G700. Leather and suede cover modular lounge chairs that recline into beds, with massage and cooling functions. A floating touchscreen desk serves as a mobile office, and a giant 85-inch OLED panel drops from the ceiling for movie nights. The kitchen uses induction tech and drawer-style refrigeration. There's even a bathroom with a digital assistant and aromatherapy functions. The lighting adjusts to circadian rhythms, and the whole cabin feels like a spaceship designed for relaxation. What's under the floor is just as impressive, a 200 kWh BYD Blade battery pack delivering up to 700 kilometers on a single charge. Dual motors produce a combined 600 horsepower, with instant torque making highway merges a breeze. It also features vehicle-to-load capability, allowing the motorhome to power an entire campsite or even a home during emergencies. Onboard Level 4 autonomy allows for hands-free driving in approved zones, and the voice assistant handles everything from itinerary planning to traffic rerouting. It's not just an RV, it's an AI-powered electric home that moves with the smoothness of silk and the silence of a whisper. Number 1. The $5 million 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of extreme luxury and engineering obsession. Styled after the Bugatti Chiron, the front carries the iconic horseshoe grille and aggressive stance. Active aerodynamic flaps, titanium bodywork, and a sculpted rear with LED light blades give it the unmistakable Bugatti signature. Unlike any other motorhome, the rear has a slide-out garage, for a Chiron. Yes, it carries its own hypercar inside. That's Bugatti-level excess. The interior is beyond opulent. Imagine a private yacht combined with a royal penthouse. There's brushed gold trim, carbon fiber structural elements, and a curved glass ceiling with electronically dimmable panels. The main lounge features a Swarovski crystal chandelier, an 8K cinema room, and even a VR experience zone powered by a dedicated server rack. The master bedroom is soundproofed, climate-controlled, and includes an anti-snore system built into the pillows. The kitchen is stocked with custom Bugatti tableware and a wine chiller crafted from forged aluminum. And then comes the powertrain, an adapted version of the 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine that makes 1,200 horsepower. A custom gearbox and all-wheel drive layout help it move with shocking authority. Despite weighing nearly 15 tons, it hits 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. The suspension is Bugatti developed and uses active dampers, laser sensors, and GPS to predict road conditions ahead of time. Fuel economy, irrelevant. This is pure indulgence. There's even a hydraulic lift system that raises the RV on command to avoid obstacles or simply impress onlookers. The Bugatti Motorhome is a machine for those two, whom price is meaningless and performance is everything. It doesn't just transport you in luxury, it delivers an experience that few private jets could match. Everything, from the stitching on the cushions to the sound system tuned by French acousticians, is crafted with no compromises. It's a mobile castle for the modern monarch. Each of these motorhomes represents a different philosophy. Number 1. Lamborghini's RV channels performance, power, and bold style into a mobile living experience like no other. It's loud, fast, and turns heads like a spaceship on Earth. Number 2. Ferrari's RV is the definition of Italian elegance, a serene sanctuary with soul and speed, balancing performance with unmatched luxury. Number 3. BYD's creation shows the future of electric travel, silent, smart, and sustainable, wrapped in a cocoon of modern tech and style. And number 4. Bugatti's Titan is an untouchable statement of hyper-luxury, packing otherworldly power and opulence into every detail. Whether you're a lover of speed, a tech enthusiast, a sustainability advocate, or simply someone who wants to own the road in the most extravagant way possible, 2026 has delivered something special. These motorhomes redefine not just travel, but lifestyle. They're not RVs, they're rolling mansions built by the world's most iconic automakers. Thanks for joining us here on Auto Speed's Vibes. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the craziest machines on wheels. We've got more reviews, features, and surprises on the way. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your dreams driving forward.